Now the rest of us, please remain seated and enjoy the view.
Welcome to Sky Track Time, the tallest freestanding structure of all of Lake County. As we embark on our ride, we ask that you remain seated with your hands and feet away from the windows. The cabin you are sitting in will carry you to the top of this 330-foot tower, providing spectacular views of the surrounding area. On a very clear day, you might be able to see the Chicago skyline. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the bird's eye view from the tallest ride at Great America. We are thrilled to provide a season of endless excitement with several festivals that start in June and continue through October. These festivals will have fun, food, fireworks, and fright. Although we promise the fun won't come out until the fall. As we ascend the tower, you can see our two wonderful parks, Six Flags Great America and Hurricane Harbor Chicago City, on 300 acres of land. Looking out over Great America, you can see why this park is a thrill seeker's paradise. Across the skyline, you'll see our 16 world-class roller coaster experiences. With such an incredible collection of thrill rides, Great America is proud to offer more than 20 million rides each season. Great America is home to 3 children's areas geared towards thrill seekers in training. You'll find Camp Cartoon in Yukon Territory, Kidzopolis in County Fair, and Hometown Park in Hometown Square. These rides promise to give kids a thrilling experience that is just right for their height age. Outside of our children's area, we have attractions for the entire family throughout the park, some of which include the Big Easy Balloons, Chubasco, the Columbia Carousel, and the Great American Sea Whirlwind. Want to take the family fun up a notch? Try these rides out. Hidden in the trees of Hometown Square, take a ride on our beloved Wizard. One of Great America's original attractions, the Wizard was many people's first roller coaster ride. It still holds a special place in their hearts today. From kids to grandparents, this is definitely a coaster for everyone. Want something that thrills you to Spain? Take a ride on Monster, a hometown fire machine located in Hometown Square. Or go back to County Fair and get dizzy on Fiddler's Folly. For our intermediate thrill seekers, we've got some rides for you. Head over to Southwest Territory and take a ride on Viper. This movie roller coaster is modeled after the classic cyclone at Coney Island. And the clouds of Viper as it twists around its many hills and lateral G's. Viper has got the drops. Now flip over to the Joker. On this thrilling adventure, you'll soar outside the track and run towers, facing other riders as you travel on 120 feet in the air. You'll sunset the wall, dropping 2 feet from the edge, and experience at least 6 witness head-over-heel flips. As the Joker stretches through the DC universe, you can't just walk by without taking a try. Want to take your thrills to the extreme? Then you've got to try these rides out. Max Force is the fastest launch coaster in North America, reaching speeds of 78 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. This incredible record-breaking coaster features the fastest inversion and the tallest double inversion of any roller coaster in the world. Prepare to achieve new altitudes on Sky Striker, a high-flying soaring adventure. Hold on tight as Sky Striker takes you 172 feet into the air, swinging through the sky at speeds of up to 75 miles per hour. Take in the big views of Great America as you soar along the 130-degree swings of the towering pendulum, nearly going upside down. As you swing through the clouds, you will also spin around, adding to the emergence of this maximum thrills experience. This first of its kind ride for the park creates a free-fall sensation like no other. As Sky Striker brings you back down to earth, you will already be ready to go on your next journey to the sky. As you make our way back down Sky Track Tower, please remain seated until the path is brought to a full and complete stop. At that Tower Station Max Horse. Thank you for riding Skytrack Tower, and thanks for visiting Six Flags Great America. Have a great day.
You want to eat?